Today we will install HENcore on your Vita running firmware 3.65 to 3.68. For this video, you will need a Vita with firmware 3.65 to 3.68. If you have a fat Vita, you will need a memory card. You will also need a computer with Content Manager Assistant or CMA and the latest version of FinalHE. I prefer QCMA, which is a third-party alternative with better features for hackers. Finally, you should have disabled automatic updates as shown in the Wilson Minute link now. Run the FinalHE executable. Start Content Manager on your Vita and connect it to your computer via USB. Check the box next to trim HENcore to 13 megabytes. Press Let's Go. When FinalHE is done, you will be given instructions for your Vita. Open Content Manager and click on Copy Content. If you see this message, watch the Wilson Minute link now. Click PC, USB cable, PC to PS Vita, Applications, PS Vita. Check HENcore and click Copy. OK. It will install for a short while. When it's done, you will have a HENcore icon on your Vita to show that it has been properly installed. Go ahead and launch HENcore so we can finish hacking our Vita by installing HENkaku and VitaShell. When HENcore launches, you will be shown a warning. Watch the Wilson Minute link now to remove this warning. For now, just click Yes. You should be brought to this screen. If you are not, reboot your Vita and try again. To force a reboot, hold the power button down for 30 seconds. Select Install HENkaku to install it. Then click Download VitaShell and let it install. Click Exit. Launch your settings and you should now see a HENkaku settings option. Click this and enable Unsafe Homebrew. You should now be able to launch VitaShell and use it to install additional homebrew. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now get out there and apply your newfound knowledge.